Are you tired of accidentally archiving emails just by hovering over them? Learn how to disable hover actions in Gmail in under 2 minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn off hover actions. It's a simple settings change that takes just a few clicks. First, head over to the Gmail homepage to get started. Then, click the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, from the drop-down, select See All Settings to access the full settings panel. Scroll down until you find the Hover Actions section. Go ahead and click on Disable Hover Actions to turn off the preview on Hover. Finally, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to apply your setting. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.